Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be kept updated on the next math lesson. Then like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic today is to solve proportional relationships. You are going to learn it here the easy way. But before we proceed to our main lesson, I would like to ask you one question. Are you eating dates fruit? Do you know that dates fruits are high in disease-fighting antioxidants? Dates prevent the development of certain chronic illnesses such as heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's, and diabetes. Let us continue our discussion about the health benefits of the dates fruits later. Let us move now to the main objective of our lesson. We are going to write and solve proportions, and we are going to use unit rates to write equations. To write and solve proportions, we are going to use cross product or cross multiplication. Cross product or cross multiplication is multiplying the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. Afterwards, the denominator of the first fraction will be multiplied to the numerator of the second fraction. Proportion is an equation stating that two ratios or rates are equivalent, like 4/5 is equivalent to 8/10. It is equivalent since 4 times 2 is equal to 8, along with 5 times 2 is equal to 10. The factor of the numerator and denominator of the first fraction is both equal to 2. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Solve x/12 is equal to 2/3. We are going to apply the cross product or cross multiplication, the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. So in this case, it is x times 3, which will give us 3x. Eventually, we're going to multiply the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. So, it will be 12 times 2, which will give us 24. Since the two fractions are equivalent, we're going to write 24 is equal to 3x. We need to eliminate 3 on the right side so that we can solve for x. Therefore, we can divide 3 on both sides. At the moment, we can cancel out the 3 on the right side, and 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8. It is easy, right? Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. A dessert serves 9 students and calls for 3 cups of haris. Shama wants to make the dessert for 15 students. About how many cups of haris should Shama use? Let us write first the ratio of 3 cups for 9 students and the number of cups we are going to find out for 15 students. Applying the cross multiplication of the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction will give us 9 times x, which is equal to 9x. Thereupon, we can multiply also the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction, which is 3 times 15, which will give us 45. Since the two rates are equivalent, therefore we can write 45 is equal to 9x. To eliminate 9 on the right side so that we can solve for x, we can divide 9 on both sides. Straight off, we can cancel 9 on the right side, and we can solve for x. Therefore, 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. Shama needs 5 cups of haris to serve 15 students. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Hamudi bought 12 shawarma for 60 dirhams. Write an equation relating the cost A to the number of shawarma S. How much would Hamudi pay for 7 shawarma at the same rate? Writing the ratio of the amount in dirhams per the number of shawarma, it will give us 60 dirhams over 12. 60 and 12 has a common factor of 12. Therefore, we can divide 60 by 12 and 12 by 12. Moreover, it will give us 5 dirhams per 1 shawarma. To solve for 7 shawarma at this same rate, we can write A is equal to 5s. Substituting the value of s to the equation, which is 7 shawarma, we can write A is equal to 5 times 7. Accordingly, A is equal to 35 dirhams. Therefore, Hamoudi needs to pay 35 dirhams for 7 shawarma. Let us work on another example so that you can fully understand the lesson. Mira bought 7 kilos of cucumber for 84 dirhams. Write an equation relating the cost to the number of kilograms of cucumber. How much would Mira pay for 3 kilograms at this same rate? We can write the ratio of the cost in dirhams per kilogram of cucumber, which will give us 84 dirhams over 7 kilograms. 84 and 7 has a common factor of 7. Hence, we can divide 84 by 7 and 7 by 7, which will give us 12 dirhams per 1 kilogram of cucumber. To find out how much would Mira pay for 3 kilograms at the same rate, we can write A or AED is equal to 12K. Substituting the value of K, which is 3 kilograms, therefore, it will give us 12 times 3, which will give us 36 dirhams. Accordingly, Mira will pay 36 dirhams for 3 kilograms of cucumber. It is very easy. To wrap it up, cross product or cross multiplication is multiplying the numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction. Likewise, you're going to multiply also the denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. Once you get the product of the cross multiplication, you can find the unknown value by dividing the number with the variable on both sides. The step will always be the same. Do the cross multiplication, then divide the number with the variable to both sides and you can get the unknown. Going back to the benefits of dates fruits, do you know that dates promotes brain health? It is also helpful for lowering inflammation and preventing plaques from forming in the brain, which is important for preventing Alzheimer's disease. Dates are very healthy to include to your diet. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it slowly, carefully, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positives. I want you to score high in math, then be wise and healthy. Okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!